Kitchen with Fazia. How to make balushahi at home. It's very easy and tasty recipe. Please watch my full recipe video. All-purpose flour, 3 cups. Baking powder, a half tablespoon. Salt, a half teaspoon. Mix well. Ghee, a half cup. Water, 1 cup. Let's make dough. Knead until dough is formed. Dough is ready. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Prepare shira sugar syrup. Water, 1 glass. Sugar, 1 cup. Again in water, 1 glass. Crushed cardamom, 3 to 4. Orange food color, 1/4 teaspoon. Lemon juice, 1. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes. Shira is ready. Let's make shape. I hope guys you like my all recipes video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ready. Let's fry. Fry on low flame until golden and crispy, 25–30 minutes. Turn side in between. It's fried. Let them rest for 5 minutes. Warm sugar syrup. Add balushahi. Let them soak for 30 minutes. Wow! Thank you so much for your support, appreciation, and motivational comments. Allah Hafiz guys. Inshallah we will meet with a new recipe.